Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arisha. We are working on this project from past 2 years. The problem we are focusing is that Alzheimer is a neurodegenerative brain disorder in which late diagnosis leads to a limited treatment options.
Alzheimer's disease affects over 55 million people worldwide, and the biggest obstacle to helping them isn't a lack of treatment option, it's the late diagnosis. Today, doctors typically rely on one signal at a time, a brain scan, a cognitive test, or a genetic inference. Each one on its own misses the things the other would catch. By the time a diagnosis is confirmed, valuable time for early intervention is often already gone.
To overcome the problem, our solution is to develop a lightweight tool, NeuroSense, which allows early prediction of Alzheimer using a combination of three modalities.
We built NeuroSense, which is an AI system that does not choose one data source. It combines three: MRI brain scans, speech recordings, and genetic markers. Each is analyzed by its own specialized model. For example, a CNN for imaging and random forest models for speech and genomics. And then a meta learner fuses their predictions into a single, more confident diagnosis. It's like having a radiologist, a speech pathologist, and a geneticist all analyzing the same patient and trying to agree on a single answer.
Hey guys, my name is Mohammad Masayed. I've also been working on this project since the past 2 years alongside Garisha under the supervision of Dr. Mohammed Khan. The innovation we bring in this project in our work is that for most of the systems developed for early prediction of Alzheimer's are either single modality or dual modality, and there is no current deployed system on the web or on the web that is accessible to everyone around the globe.
What makes this different is how the fusion works instead of combining raw data. In testing this, fused approach reached 91.67 accuracy, beating MRI alone at 87%, speech alone at 88.9%, and genomic alone at 67%. And unlike most AI diagnostic tools, we don't hide behind a black box. Thanks to explainable AI, where chat and ADM show exactly why speech pattern and brain regions drove each prediction.
As far as the impact is concerned, we believe this will impact the healthcare domain in the near future, allowing the doctors to enhance the treatment options available for the Alzheimer affected patients using using the enhanced machine learning model results that our app provides in addition to generative AI based explanations of our explainable AI results.
For healthcare system, it means a cheaper, faster, non-invasive first-line screening option. And for healthcare education, our explainability outputs double as a teaching tool, helping the next generation of clinicians learn to read and question AI-driven diagnostic responsibility, not just trust them
We
blindly.
strongly believe that neuroscience sits exactly at the same intersection of SIMVENTION is looking for. For instance, AI in healthcare, healthcare technology, and healthcare simulation all at once. We are excited to bring a live interactive demo to SIMPAC 2026. Let the judges and clinicians test it on sample cases and get the kind of expert feedback that only a room full of simulation and health tech leaders can give us. And we take this from research prototype towards a real clinical training and screening tool. Thank you very much.